Hey YouTube, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to show you how to play Fireflies by Owl City. Let's jump in. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this song, you're going to love the tab sheet that I have up on patreon.com. If you're a patron, you get access not only to this tab sheet, but to every single tab sheet I've ever created. That's my entire YouTube channel on patreon.com, so go check it out. The link is below in the description. Alright guys, thanks again so much, and we will see you next time.